Before you drop serious cash on a metal 3D printer, there's one thing nobody tells you up front. Most of these machines claim high speed and precision, but the real difference shows up in how they handle real-world messes like power outages, filament jams, or multicolor prints. That's where most buyers get burned. Product number 1, FlashForge Adventurer 5M. Let's start with the FlashForge Adventurer 5M. A solid entry-level metal 3D printer priced just under $310. What caught my eye is its fully automatic bed leveling and Core XY all-metal frame, which gives it serious stability for the price. If you want reliable, fast prints without constant tinkering, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 600 ms travel speed and 20,000 ms2 acceleration mean you're getting 12x faster printing than older models. And the 280 degrees C direct extruder handles everything from PLA to tougher filaments like PETG. The dual fan cooling and vibration compensation help maintain detail even at high speeds, something hobbyists and small prototyping shops really need. Now, some people complained about the lack of multicolor support and limited nozzle options out of the box. Here's the thing though, this printer isn't built for complex color work. It's built for speed and consistency on single material prints. If you're printing functional parts or prototypes fast, that limitation actually keeps things simple and reliable. This is perfect for you if you're new to metal frame printers but want pro-level speed and don't need fancy color mixing. Skip this one if you plan on doing artistic multicolor models regularly. At under $310, it's an insane value for what you get. Product number 2, FlashForge AD5X. Now, if the Adventurer 5M's lack of color options bothered you, the FlashForge AD5X takes everything good about that model and adds vivid multicolor printing, up to 4 colors at once. Priced at $435, it's still affordable for a metal frame multicolor machine. Combined with the same 600 ms speed and Core XY stability, you get both creativity and efficiency. The 300 degrees C direct drive extruder also handles flexible TPU, which many competitors struggle with. Over 10,000 sold last month shows it's popular with designers and educators. Now, some people complained about occasional filament sensor glitches during long multicolor prints. Here's the thing though, those issues usually happen with third-party filaments. It's not perfect, but for the price, the automation is impressive. This is perfect for you if you're a designer, educator, or hobbyist who wants to print colorful prototypes without manual filament swapping. Skip this one if you only print in single colors. You'd be paying extra for features you won't use. Still, at $435, it's one of the best value multicolor metal printers out there. Product number 3, FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious users, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. At $487, it's the most feature-complete of the Adventurer line, with enhanced material support and smarter automation. The pressure-sensing auto-leveling is more accurate than standard probes, so your first layer sticks perfectly every time, no more failed prints from uneven beds. Plus, the dual-sided PEI platform lets you swap surfaces for different materials in seconds. With 6,000 plus sold last month, it's trusted by makers who need reliability. Now, some people complained about the heavier build making it less portable. If you're printing large or detailed parts, that stability is a feature, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you're printing functional prototypes, engineering models, or anything requiring strong, heat-resistant materials. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable or only print basic PLA models. For under $500, it's a pro-level machine at a hobbyist price. Product number 4, PSUG Deburring Tool. Wait, this isn't a printer, hear me out. The PSUG deburring tool at just $15 might seem out of place, but if you're printing metal or resin parts, sharp edges and burrs are a real problem most beginners ignore. This tool solves that quietly but effectively. Here's why this matters for you specifically. After printing, especially with metal-filled filaments or resin conversions, edges can be rough or even dangerous to handle. This deburring tool uses 12 high-speed steel blades to smooth metal, plastic, PVC, and 3D printed parts in seconds. The spring-loaded blade system lets you rotate and replace tips fast, and the ergonomic metal handle gives solid control. Over 4,000 sold last month shows it's a hidden essential. Now some people complained it's not motorized, so it requires manual effort. Plus, at $15, you're not paying for a power tool you might only use occasionally. This is perfect for you if you're finishing printed parts for functional use or display. Skip this one if you're only printing soft PLA miniatures with minimal cleanup. But if you care about professional quality finishes, this tiny tool punches way above its weight. Product number 5. FlashForge AD5X with IFS. Finally, if you want the ultimate in multicolor automation, the FlashForge AD5X with IFS at $641 is the top-tier pick. It's essentially the AD5X upgraded with a smarter filament system and tighter quality control. The all-metal Core XY frame ensures zero wobble at 600 ms speeds, and the 300 degrees C nozzle handles everything from PLA to flexible TPU. With 3,000 plus sold last month, it's favored by studios and advanced hobbyists. Now some people complained about the higher price and steeper learning curve for multi-material setups. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about color printing, the IFS saves hours of manual work and failed prints. This is perfect for you if you're a professional designer, educator, or advanced maker doing frequent multicolor or multi-material projects. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only print occasionally. But if you want the best multicolor metal printer under $700, this is it. So which one should you pick? The Adventure 5M is best for speed and simplicity under $310. The AD5X adds multicolor for $435. The 5M Pro handles advanced materials at $487. The PSUG deburring tool is a $15 must-have for finishing. And the AD5X with IFS is the Pro choice at $641. Choose based on your workflow, not the flashiest specs.